Hi guys, welcome to the Maths and Science class. Today we are going to talk about the logarithm. So if you have any problem concerning logarithm, get your pen and paper and start writing. I will show you how to deal with problem concerning logarithm gradually and step by step. So when we say logarithm to the base of a number is a power or the index to which the base must be raised to be equal to that number. For instance, we have phi is equals to a raised to the power of x. Then this x is the logarithm of is a logarithm to the base of a of phi. This is what we call the logarithm, and this very equation is called the index form, and this one is called the logarithmic form. And that is the relation between this equation and this equation, and they are equivalent equation. There are many laws regarding this logarithm. So when you want to solve any problem concerning logarithm, there has to be a laws that you have to follow. Let us see whether we can prove some of these laws or we can write them down so that when we are going to deal with problem concerning the logarithm, we'll be reminding them and applying them to solve some problems. For instance, now let phi is equals to a raised to the power of x. Then we have x is equals to logarithm of phi to base a. And assuming that we have q is equals to, assuming, okay, I'm sorry, let us, so to see how we can prove some of these laws, let us use these two equations. Let phi is equals to b raised to the power of x, then log v, then x is equals to log phi to base v, and q to be equals to b raised to the power of 1. Then y is equals to log q to base b. So if we multiply phi and q, we are going to have b power x multiplied by b power y, which is equals to b raised to the power of x plus y. I hope we are following. So now, if we take the logarithm of this, we are going to have log phi q to base b is equals to x plus y. I hope we are following. So this x and this y, you consider from the equation, we have x is equals to log phi to base b plus log q to base b. So this very equation, when you have multiplication between a number p and q and you take the logarithm of them, you can see that when you have the power, just the index, the equation will be the same as this. So you have log phi q to base b is equals to log phi base b plus log q to base b. This one is one of the law that we can be applying when we are dealing with logarithm. Let's see the next one. Since we already have let's assume we call this one a, and if we are to prove b, let's assume we have phi divided by q. P all over q is going to be what? b power x divided by b raised to the power of y, which is equals to b power x minus y. When we are dealing with what? When we are dealing with, when we remember our indices, this is the same as b power x minus y. So if you take the logarithm of p all over q, let's put them in bracket to base b, is the same as what? This will be the same as x minus y. I hope we are following. So we already have our x and y, so we are going to have the same as log phi base x, base b, then minus log q base b. Therefore, log phi over q to base b is the same as log phi base b minus log q base b. So this one is the second law that we have to be applying when we are dealing with logarithms. So whenever you have a division between the number and they are having the same base, and you are to find the logarithm of it, just you have to find the logarithm of the numerator, then you subtract the logarithm of the denominator from it. I hope we are following. So these are the two laws that we can be applying. Let us have the next law. The next one we have here is when you have the law number C, say if phi is equals to if you have phi power n to be equals to v raised to the power of xn or nx. I hope we are following. So this one, you can take the logarithm, then the logarithm of this p power n to base b is the same as xn. I hope we are following. This is the same as, what is our x? Our x is what? Our x is log phi base b, then times n. Or you say just n log phi base p, n log phi base b. This will give you, this is our next equation. And the next one, the number d, when you have b power b to be equals to b raised to the power of 1, when you take the logarithm of the both sides, you have what? Log to base b, log b to base b will be equals to 1. I hope we are following. This is our equation. This one is also the next law that we have. The next one, let's say number B. Then we have A, B, C, D. We have number E. Number E, when you have B power 0 is 1. We all know that any number power 0 will give us 1. So when you take the logarithm of this, when you say logarithm of log 1 to base b will give us 0. So logarithm of 1, log 1 to base log 1 to any base will give you 1. So these are the last equation that we have. This is the last law that we have to be applying whenever we are dealing with logarithm. Stay tuned. If you have any question concerning this, what we have derived, all the laws that we have derived, you are free to ask me through the SMS. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Please stay tuned. Stay connected. I will show you in the next class. We are going to see how to deal with any one of these laws. Thank you for watching.